everyone, it's Kezia over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about these beauties right here. These are the Pixi Beauty On The Glow Bronze Tinted Moisturizer Stick, I believe. Yes, tinted moisture stick. So if you want to see how these test out, then keep on watching, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. Let's begin. Basically, all I have on my face is basically some foundation, primer, foundation, and concealer. And now I wish to try out these. I also had tried out in the past the On The Glow blush, which were these. So these are the same packaging. However, I feel like these are matte, and then these are shiny. So just to let you know. So let me show you what these things look like first, because I think that's very important. So you open them like that, and then you take off the plastic thing, and then it just rolls like that. It's really cool, isn't it? What I also like doing is, obviously, I like reading a little bit about the product and see what it claims. So basically, swipe on for a sun-kissed and healthy looking complexion all year. Our hint of a tint, easy to use sticks are perfect for cheeks and lips. Just one swipe, blend, and you are good to glow. The solid tint is formulated with fruit extracts for superb antioxidant protection and blends effortlessly on your skin for a natural bronzed glow on the go. And there are 4 shades. There's soft glow, there's warm glow, there's rich glow, and then there's beach glow. So I have rich glow, which is this one right here. I'm going to actually swatch it for you. Ooh, this is rich glow. Oh, this looks lovely for like when you go to the beach. And then we also have this one, which is called warm glow. So I really love the packaging. I feel like Pixi always have the cutest packaging, honestly. And this is warm glow. Ooh, that's more me. I'm so sorry. My swatching skills, guys. I'm just going to do it here. So this is warm glow. Honestly, look at that. It's beautiful. I feel like this is the one I need to do because I'm still looking really fair. And what I want to do is I want to put some on my lips as well, because it said you can put them on the lips. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swipe it. Ooh. Okie dokie. Okay, and then I'm going to use this brush, which I like using. This is the all-rounder brush from Beauty Bay. Ooh, that's really pretty. Like, I want to use a little bit of this just to see what it does. Oh, I like that. It gives a bit of a bronze look. And they blend out really nicely as well. And they're so glowy. Oh my goodness, my cheeks are like I've been on a holiday, basically. They look so pretty, honestly. Oh, I really like it. But I also want to put some blush as well, obviously. And the blush I want to use from Pixi Beauty is this On The Glow blush, is this one right here, and this one is called Juicy. It's really pretty. I'm going to just grab it on my finger though. I like doing a little bit on my nose as well. Why not? I mean, it doesn't look like I have a sunburn. But yeah, what I like about these is that, you know, it creates a very beautiful natural glow. The only thing I have to say about them though is kind of, if you have textured skin, I think these products kind of enhance it a little bit more, which, I mean, I understand. However, like, sometimes I don't like it. So that is the only thing I have to say. But apart from that, I really like what it does with my skin. And again, like for summer and for like, you know, this kind of weather, this is what I would like to do, you know, just swipe on and maybe, you know, put it on like no foundation as well. I think that would look really good. However, yeah, that's just the only thing I will say, that if you have textured skin, these kind of enhance them a little bit. So that is all I gotta say. So I'm just going to close these up. These are the Pixi Beauty Oops. So these are the Pixi Beauty On The Glow Bronze Tinted Moisture Stick. But yeah, I think it's just something handy to have in your bag because it's really easy to apply, and then you also can use your fingers, to be honest. You don't need to use a brush. What I can do is I'll show you a finished look of the makeup look as well with all the products. So yeah. Okay guys, so I haven't tried these yet on my lips and I kind of want to. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a bit on my finger. Creates a nice lip balm kind of like, and it just plump them up, which is I think really nice for like summer and those kinds of months, and even like very easy to carry, I guess, with you on the beach. You can put it on your cheek, blend it out with your hands, and then also put it on your lips. I really like this. This is interesting. Okay, so those were the Pixi Beauty On The Glow Bronze Tinted Moisture Sticks. I really like them. I found that they really blended really nicely onto the skin. They created a beautiful natural glow. Like, even though I have like most of my foundation now, my makeup, sorry, it's finished. Like all of my makeup is finished. Like my cheeks are so like glow, like they're like really glowing, and I'm really happy. And I also like the texture that it created on my lips as well, as in like the application of the lips as well was really nice too. So yeah, that was the Pixi Beauty On The Glow Bronze Stick. I hope you liked it. So this was like, I'm doing more of like a mini review now, which I'm really happy about, and I hope you like my videos basically. So yeah, I just wish to also thank Pixi Beauty for sending me these beautiful products and for giving me the opportunity to test them out with you guys all, with all of you. Oh my god, my English. Anyways, hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!